Hey everyone, my name is Barney, and today this is my first day with the Imperium Academy VIP membership. And I just quickly wanted to share what I'm building because I spent this day figuring out the content and watching some modules of the VIP I was building and trying to figure out how to move forward with my business, what I thought initially. So, this is what I want to share with you guys and also a little training on cold DMs, what I learned along this journey while I'm doing it. So I hope Charlie will see it. Let's get started. So, my name is Barney. As I said, I'm a 22-year-old guy from Budapest. I live in Hungary. I started and I joined to Imperium Academy like a few months ago. I already started getting some results. I have my first client, like a trial client. I started working with a real human being. Yeah. And along this journey, I get experiences, and the mindset module is my favorite one. So I'm just a normal dude, and I created this image like Charlie's introducing me to the VIP community. I liked it. Yeah. So my main goal is to make my family proud. Just a little bit about my family and myself. I come from a really big family, so like I have 7 siblings. I'm the eldest son, and I always felt the need and the desire to be the eldest son that anyone can rely on and feel safe around. So my main goal is to make my family proud, to retire my parents. Yeah, this is the goal. In order to achieve this goal, I need to build a business, and this is what I want to build and what I started. So I picked the niche male fitness coaches, online fitness coaches, because I've been going to the gym like 5 years now. I was watching fitness content all the time, so I get a really good understanding of this market because I'm also basically a part of it. I went to this niche. I picked male online fitness coaches just to be more specific and who help other men. The problem I solved because I booked interview calls, and what I was figuring out is that men online fitness coaches or online fitness coaches wants to do only 2 things. It's creating content, which they really like to do, and work with clients. And everything else in between should be automated. So like I was talking to a guy who was like, he gets so many DMs that he spends like 6 hours a day manually trying to qualify those leads and just basically responding to them, responding to all of the boring questions. So I'm building the system that lets them focus more on their clients. Here is my main offer. So what I do is basically a lead generation for fitness coaches. So my main offer is online fitness coaches get 5 to 10 qualified sales calls booked into your calendar every month using paid ads and our fit lead system without manually chasing leads. It's a system that I'm testing right now. I have another offer, which is basically the Trojan horse. So this is what I do. It's a lead reactivation. And I've never seen someone doing something like reactivating leads for coaches, especially reactivating Instagram DM leads. This is my Trojan horse offer is like it's I will help you book 1 to 3 qualified appointments in 7 days from the leads you already have. It's basically an AI appointment setter that we send to the Instagram DM leads that already a coach has. We just connect with them and try to book them into the appointment, into the calendar. Sorry. The model I'm doing is done for you. So basically, after the 7-day trial, if they enjoyed it and happy with the results we got, I'm basically just upselling my main offer, and I would price it for like 1,500 months a retainer. I really need to get experience with this business model and sales, so this is why the price is kind of like low, but obviously we are going to increase it. The methodology for them of the main offer, I just simply created here. So like basically I'm running ads or helping the coach make content. Then we send this traffic to the landing page where where the prospect basically just fills out a form like name, email address, phone, and we ask a bunch of questions, and then This lead goes through a CRM, and the AI appointment setter reaches out to them, try to basically book an appointment or a call. We can do another version like where we are basically doing the same system to Instagram DMs or Messenger or WhatsApp or whatever. So my current method to get my own clients is through Instagram DMs, and later I want to do content, build a personal brand, and run ads when I'm scaling. So basically my end goal is to create content that attracts my clients. And here are my personal goals. So like I want to reach 3 to 5K per month consistently by the end of 2026, and 1 year subscription for the Imperium Academy VIP. I want to reach $10,000 a month within 1 year. So these are my goals. This is where I get my first client. It's a trial client, so we are basically he let me test this system. He was open to build this system up together. So we are testing these things. The ads are converting, so we are getting clients to them. So it's great. Another thing I wanted to teach you, it's a small thing, but I realized as I was sending outreaches through Instagram DMs, is something that Instagram outreach has up, and I wasn't thinking that it can be a problem, but I realized that when you message a coach or someone on Instagram who runs a coaching business or something like that, so when you basically message a coach through Instagram or someone who is like a coach or consultant or something like that, they have usually a ManyChat automation first, or an AI appointment, or an appointment setter like a VA, or an AI agent that sets the appointment. So remember, when you are reaching out to a coach or someone through Instagram, because most of the time the initial reaction or the initial conversation is not with the coach, with the owner basically, but with a VA or a ManyChat. I know it because I experienced it with him, because I texted him and he responded to my outreach. We were talking, and then just stopped. And I was following up over and over again. And then he messaged me, "I'm sorry, that was my VA or my appointment setter, and this is me, and we can talk." So yeah, keep it in mind. Remember this. I just wanted to say that Imperium Academy works, no doubt. So it works because I actually just wanted to share with you this. This happened kind of like a week ago. I was just sitting in my room and trying to figure out how to move forward, what to do. And I got a message on Instagram. A guy messaged me that he saw what I do in my Instagram bio and he wants to get my help. And that was the moment when I realized, okay, this shit is working. So like, okay, that was an aha moment when I get my first ever inbound lead, not outbound, it was the first ever inbound lead. Someone saw my profile, had a problem, and reached out to me to basically work together. We had a call, and now we are working together. So the first inbound lead that I converted into a client was a massive like dopamine hit, and something that I really remember. So Imperium Academy works. The only thing you need to do in order to succeed with it is switch off your brain, close your eyes, and just do what Charlie says. This is the cheat code for Imperium Academy and working basically with Charlie. It's that do not be more clever and smarter than Charlie. Just switch off close your eyes, and just do like without thinking what Charlie says. Okay? Just do it, and you will succeed. So this is me. I'm going to just document this journey as well. So focusing on like just doing something like weekly videos about my progress. This is day 1. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you could motivate you, and just do what Charlie says, and you will get results. Bye.